I would like you to the forward bay parking place. Just make sure that your 4 wheels are inside the bay. You can choose any bay you like, please.
I think I'm a bit. I was gonna go a little bit more that way. I'm gonna. Yeah. Where is the signal? Do my observations and then just slowly turn him. I don't think I'm going to be in that side, so I'm going to fix it. Let's go down and have a look. Guess that's reverse backwards. So just reverse straight on. To about there. I'm just going to go like that. Go and drive. More mirrors. Here, and I'm in that side.
Okay, so let's complete this maneuver. So reverse your car and you're driving on your left. So your front bonnet going towards your left, please. Yeah.
No problem. Just put it in reverse. Check all my mirrors. Slowly.
Okay.
Tell you straight.
And secure your car. Right. So, Cara, good effort. It was good plan B as well.
Yeah.
Why you think that you did not go inside the bay first time? What was the reason for that?
I don't think I was fully lined up. I think I was a bit too forwards.
Okay, a little bit forward. Okay, that was the one reason. What other reason you can think of?
I don't think I give enough space. I think I should have stayed a bit more over here.
Correct. That is an important thing, Cara. And people who are gonna watch you, is very important. Be a greedy and selfish person when you're doing the maneuvers, especially when you're doing a forward bay parking.
Yeah.
So we have look at this position now. So this is a very good position.
Yeah.
So we are not into another bay,
Yeah.
but we are just on the edge of the bay.
Yeah.
What you did before, you went into the middle.
Yeah.
That means
Yeah.
you have got less space to swing.
Yeah.
But if you would have used this space here like this,
Yeah.
you have got more room to swing
Yeah.
and you can have more control. That's one thing.
Okay.
The second thing is, which people do mistake, you went for the plan B, which is very good. Again, be a bit more greedy. So when you did reverse back,
Yeah.
you only went little bit. Go more further back.
Okay.
So when you're going forward,
Yeah.
you have got more room to maneuver. Because you only went a little bit,
Yeah.
you struggle a little. You went in there eventually, but you struggle a little bit.
Yeah. So always
If-
give myself more space.
Go more back if you go for plan B as well. So overall, very good. So guys, if you're watching this, it's very important to know plan B as well. Now in your exam, if you messed up, are you gonna request the examiner, I'm gonna adjust my car, or are you gonna tell the examiner I'm going to adjust
You're
it?
gonna tell them.
Yeah, you're allowed to do this. Now what examiner would expect you to do before and during your maneuver observation, right?
Yeah.
What type of observation? Mirrors or the blind shoulder check?
Or both.
Mirrors, you're doing it for your own sake,
Yeah.
but mainly the examiner wants you to do your
Blind
blind
spots.
spots check every 6 to 8 seconds. So what you could do, you can do your left blind shoulder check, left mirror, and you can do that. Are you allowed to check your screen?
Yeah, but don't concentrate on it.
Too much. Okay, right. So any problem, any question with this?
No, I'm all good.
No?
I just know I need to leave more space.
That's it. That would have been better for you like this. So okay, so I want you to do the reverse bay parking, please, for me. Any way you like for me, please. Reverse bay parking, Cara.
I'm gonna go forward. So
You know what you're doing, don't you?
yeah, so I'm gonna drive forward. And just drive forward. I don't need to. And then I'm gonna figure out. Let's figure out which one I want.
No, Cara. Again, you're not thinking. So for forward bay parking, we keep our car to the left.
Oh, yeah, I need to go.
But for reverse bay parking, we need to go near there and give yourself about a meter space.
Yeah.
And then that's important. Meter or slightly more than meter.
About, yeah.
Yeah, but make your car straight in as well. There you go. That is how you should be doing it, okay?
I know I'm going to do.
Go forward for me. Keep going forward. Keep going forward. Keep going. And stop the car. And I want you to reverse and then adjust with the white line, please. Don't do cheating.
Oh, gosh.
So go for reverse.
Yeah. Right.
So stop. Do you check your left shoulder check?
Yeah.
You didn't. Now you did.
No, I did.
Okay. That is a correct way of doing it. I mean, you can do that way as well, but people don't get it correct all the time.
There.
Okay.
Okay.
No. Hold on. All right. Think hard, Cara. Are we doing reverse right or reverse left?
Oh, I'm going the wrong way.
We're doing the reverse right, so we need to be doing full lock to the right,
Yeah.
Cara.
I was thinking I'm going the wrong way. Right now, I need to check my mirrors, and then I can go. Do it nice and slowly. Keep checking over my shoulder. A tad bit that way.
That's more than enough. You don't need to do anything extra, to be honest with you. Just keep going back. Make your tires straightened. That's it. And
There.
yeah, so when the red line hit the curb, then you stop there. So are you inside the bay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now, when your car become parallel with the white line, Cara,
Yeah.
you were inside. You could have just make your tires straight and go that as well.
Yeah.
You're trying to do something extra, which is fine, but you don't want to mess up.
Don't
So
want to do it too much.
don't, as I say to everyone, that don't be a Superman or Wonder Woman. If you are in,
Yeah.
make your tires straight and just go in. Regardless how close you are to the bay, that's examiners that don't have an issue with that. As long as you're in. You did, because you're an experienced driver, you have rectified yourself nicely, fine.
Yeah.
People who not have as good experience as you have, they always try to mess up. So please guys, if you are in, regardless of how close you are, just make your tires straight, go in, and examiner will be fine with that. If your car is not inside the bay, if it's on the line, then what would you do?
Well, I go straight forward.
Yeah.
Come out and then either go quarter left, quarter right, whichever
And then
way, and
come
go
back.
back.
And are you gonna do a little bit, or you gonna go as much as you
As
can?
much as I can.
Yeah. So use that space. So
Yeah.
good. Happy with this?
Yeah.
Right. Let's drive out whenever you're ready, please, for me. Okay. Now I would like you to, wherever safe, pull over to the right, please.
Pull, not the left.
Pull up to the right.
The right. Right. I'm just gonna slow down.
Stop. Don't want to keep rolling, car.
Yeah. So just wait here.
If you're gonna keep rolling, you end up going to over
yeah.
there. So I'll explain to you more in a minute. Okay. In this situation, don't worry about the traffic behind.
Be a selfish driver.
Imagine you're going into your house driveway. Yeah, go now. The car was quite far away, isn't it? The van.
Yeah.
That's it. There you go. Okay. So this maneuver is designed for people that imagine you are going into your driveway, for example, or if you need to pull over here for a safe reason, or you wanna reverse
I
back.
can't keep rolling.
Yeah, because if you're gonna keep rolling, if you look over there,
I'm gonna end up at the end of the road.
and you're gonna bend over there. So you will have to make a decision You have positioned yourself already, which is great.
Yeah.
Stop if the cars that keep coming. When you see a safe gap, as you did, you check your mirrors and then you can move across to you. Okay? Right. So I would like you to reverse back to car's length, please, for me, Cara. Remember, this is a live road.
Yeah.
Think about this.
Coming towards me, stop.
But how far? That is a multi-million question.
It's about
though.
meter. Is it 2?
No, about 3 to 4 cars length away. So, for example, where I would say where this lamppost is.
Okay.
So once you see this cyclist about here,
yeah.
you stop. Now this road is very, very wide. In this road, I don't want you to stop the cars coming from behind you and stopping for them.
Yeah.
If the road is narrow,
yeah,
then you have to stop the car coming from behind as well. But in this one, it's fine. But because you're going to be doing your observations,
yeah,
keep an eye on the car behind you as well.
Yeah.
Anyway, okay. So reverse back 2 cars length. Whenever it's safe to do so, make sure you keep your car reasonably close to the right curb at all time.
I'm gonna let him come past. There we go. Okay. Do my observations before I go anywhere. And let's reverse. I'm just gonna go slightly bit that way, just to be cool. Okay, I'm gonna let him go. Slightly bit more that way again. Stop over him.
Right, Cara. Tell me where your car was, roughly.
Need that tree.
This one or the other one?
That one.
Okay.
So I'm nearly done.
You tell me whenever you think it's done.
I just need to a tiny bit more back. I think about there.
Good. Okay. So don't be afraid to make a decision when you feel that you've done 2 cars. Even if you might think it's 1.5, just tell the examiner you're done.
Yeah.
99% chances our examiners will be happy.
Okay.
Now, a big word of advice for you, Cara, and this is for you and the people who are watching as well, because this is where they messed up. When you trying to go a little bit more to the right, put your hand on the steering. When you were trying to go close to the curb, how much steer did you do? Show me how much.
Just a quarter.
We don't do quarter in this maneuver, remember that.
Oh, it's only about there.
Bit more less, but about that much.
Oh, so I did too much.
So because you did too much, what happened?
Well, got too close to the curb.
You did, isn't it? Yeah?
Yeah.
But why you think we don't want to be doing quarter on the main road? Why is that?
Well, it's too much because you'd be focusing on that instead of on the road.
And also, so
hit the curb.
imagine this is a car, yeah?
Yeah.
If you do quarter, would the car go like this?
Yeah, and you don't want to be diagonal.
And
to the road.
if you do little bit, would the car go like this a little bit?
Yeah, that's all you want. Yeah, I see what you mean. Just a tad, just.
Yeah. So if you wanna go away from the curb, how much would you stay to the left? Yeah, like that, and maybe a little bit more if you needed to,
Yeah.
and that will resolve it.
Yeah.
The reason what happened to you because you went quarter.
Okay, yeah.
On the parallel parking, you can do quarter.
Yeah.
Reverse bay parking, you can do quarter. Forward bay parking, you can do quarter,
Just
because
not
they
this
do
one.
this in a controlled environment.
Yeah.
In this one, you don't want to be doing that. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Well done. Good observation skills, good controlling, and you stop with the cars. Well done for that. Just remember that one thing,
That
though.
one
Yeah.
little thing.
Okay, so let's drive off whenever it's safe to do so, please, for me.
Going to drive and the mirror and signal. Because someone's in. Oh, let me just check all around me. I'm gonna let them
I would
go.
cancel a signal. I would wait for them 2 to go.
And
because
then signal.
I would, yeah. And now check your mirrors and signal.
Well, there's people behind.
Behind is fine. It's just we don't want to make oncoming car traffic slow down, though. Yeah.
Right, no one's in front of me. Just doing my observations. After him, I can go.
There you go. Well done. If you have got a stream of traffic keep coming,
Then just sit
then
and wait.
signal.
Yeah.
If it's 1 or 2 cars, then wait for them to go past.
Yeah. So that's a meter there. Got the tape straight. I need to reverse. And I need to match up to him. Oh, there. And now I need to go to the left. Check my mirrors. Just slowly going.
So think again, Cara. Which green lane is yours?
Not that one. I'm going as slow as okay. Now.
Yeah. So remember this. Yeah.
One to the right. Two.
Good.
Check my mirrors. Do my observations.
Good. Well done, Cara.
I did it. Usually I'm really bad at that.
Just remember. Well, I have to help you with your reference point, Cara. If you would have used that reference point,
I would have messed up.
you would have. Well, you would have gone to plan B. Is not the top. Is a middle green. Is the second one.
Remember that, and I'll be fine.
Yes.
But that's probably the best parallel parking I've ever done.
All maneuvers done. Happy?
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Right. Good. Drive off whenever you're ready, please.